This is a brand new all aluminum Adam Rustler. It's a 3-horse slant load. Aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, and a wooden floor. The trailer is 7'6" tall and 6'6" wide. The dressing room has 3 saddle racks. They are adjustable there on that post. Bridle hooks, rubber floor mat, sorry that glare, and a spare tire. The dressing room has a camper door. That window there in the door does slide. You've got running boards the full length of the trailer. Aluminum fender. This is an LED light here. It is amber in the front and red in the back. 15-inch wheels, ST 225 75 R15s there. You've got sliding windows at each butt of the horses. On the rear, I've got 50/50 barn doors. Standard, the Rustler is not quite as enclosed as this model. Standard, the Rustler would have stock sides here on this side of the trailer instead of windows, and it would have a single swinging rear door that had stock slats in it, and all those slats would have plexi, but we go ahead and put windows in this trailer and give you a 50/50 rear horse area door with windows, and that door just seals up a bit more than your standard stock trailer or stock door. You've got an LED load light, brake lights, rubber bumper here at your step-up entrance. So again, there are those sliding windows on the butt side. You've got 3 pop-up roof vents and drop-down windows on your head side. The stalls in this trailer actually are a pretty good size. I could always get you a drawing if you're interested in that. They are padded here on the dividers, and they just have a real easy sliding pin versus a slam latch on that butt bar. That's pretty secure. You can tie that divider back to this one, right to your second divider. So this rear divider, actually both dividers do telescope in case you need them to shorten up. Again, you've got your drop-down head windows. At your first stall, there is an escape door and a bar, and that bar is padded. You've got 2 lights inside of this horse area. There was one in the dressing room. I didn't point that out to you. The 50/50 doors do tie back up against the fender, so they can be completely out of the way. But again, that door just closes up more than your standard Adam Rustler. That standard trailer is more of a stock style in the butt side of the horses and the rear end of the trailer. You've got all LED lights, drop-down windows. Those bars drop down as well if you decide you want those to be down. Again, the trailer is all aluminum, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof with a wooden floor and rubber mats. The trailer is 7'6" tall and 6'6" wide. Here's that escape door with the padded bar in the front. That is your first horse. Adam Rustler, 3-horse slant load, 6'6" wide, 7'6" tall, available at Trailer Country LLC. Our website is trailercountryllc.com. We are located in Carrollton, Virginia, with options for shipping nationwide and financing with approved credit.